Welcome to 20422 Dial. This is a lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, freshly built here in Port Charlotte. Let's take a quick look at the neighborhood. It's about 12 p.m. Very quiet neighborhood. As you walk up, you'll see you have some lovely gray pavers. This property is upgraded over the entire neighborhood. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, this is a totally open concept property. Soon to be your own home, styled in gray walls, white trim and doors with black fittings, and a lovely multi-hue with subtle flooring. Let's walk in. Here's your kitchen. Island. Here's your dishwasher. So while preparing your meals, you can see everyone in the family. You put your chairs right there. This is your living area, or you could combine it living dining. Large backyard, just fenced on one side. This is a corner lot. And it's very well lit. Let's take a look at one of the bedrooms. Bedrooms are decently sized, well lit, large windows so you can let in maximum light, and a very nice closet. Put all your stuff in there. Come back out of bedroom number 3, and again you can see open concept all the way through. There is the shared bathroom, bathroom number 2. Nice polished marble finish with the tub, toilet, quartz countertop, and again a consistent theme all the way throughout this home. Bedroom number 2, about the same size as bedroom number 1. This one's at the front of the property. Again, it's a corner lot. You can see the driveway outside. Here's bedroom number 2. Come back out to the open floor plan. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. Master bedroom has its own ceiling fan. It's pretty big by neighborhood standards. And again, let's take a look in the master bathroom. Master bathroom, you got a double vanity, quartz countertop, again polished marble bathroom, very well lit in here, makes the space look kind of open. And here is your master bedroom closet, complete walk-in closet. Again, a reverse view. Totally open bathroom so you don't feel too confined in here. One of the good things about this home, as opposed to traditional homes, we're back in the open area, is the laundry room is inside. Comes with a washer and dryer under AC in the laundry room. Again, come straight out from your laundry room into the kitchen living area. And then here's your garage. It's a 2-car garage with nice textured floors. There's your water heater. Your AC is in there. Back inside. And then you're back in. And that's it for this project.